welcome back to another video. So today I'm going to show you how to make a Derpy shark cake for Shark Week. The ingredients you're going to need is 2 red velvet cake box mixes. And then for that you're going to need to add 3 eggs, 3/4 cup of vegetable oil, and 1 1/4 cup of water. And then mix all the ingredients until well blended. On to lining the cake pan. You're going to need some parchment paper, and then I start off by tracing the outline of the cake pan, and then I cut it out before. But before putting it in the cake pan, I like to spray it with pan first, just so the paper sticks to the pan and just doesn't bunch up. For this, you're going to need 4 small cakes. Boil the cake bakes onto the icing. This is not my recipe, this is the icing artist recipe. I'm going to put all of the information down below so y'all can just check it out if you need to. And for this, I'm making 3 batches of it, so you're going to need 1 1/4 stick of butter, 3 3/4 of a cup of vegetable shortening, and then 3 3/4 teaspoon of vanilla, 1 1/2 teaspoon of butter flavor, and then a pinch of salt. And then you're going to need 12 cups of powdered sugar. I start off by mixing the butter and the vegetable shortening together on medium speed for 2 minutes. And then you're going to add the vanilla, the butter flavor, and this pinch of salt, and then mix until incorporated. Now add half of your powdered sugar and 2 teaspoons of water, and blend until incorporated, then mix on high for 2 minutes. Add the other half of your powdered sugar and 1 teaspoon of water, mix until incorporated, and then mix on high for 3 minutes. Once all your cakes are done, you're going to need to level them, and I like to use a cake leveler because it's easier. Take some of your buttercream and add some onto a cake board, and add 1 layer of cake to it, and then take some of your buttercream and add red food coloring to it. When I was making this cake, I didn't realize I made the icing a bit too thick, so that's why it looks like it's sticking to the cake, and it makes the cake a little more crumbly. And continue to add buttercream between the layers till you have 3 layers. Once you're done with that, cut off 2 sides of the cake. Add buttercream on top, and from your 4th cake, you're going to need to cut 4 small triangles from it, and you're going to add it on top so we can make the snout of the shark. Once you do that, add a layer of buttercream all around it, and place it in the fridge for 30 minutes. This is the crumb coat. Once you take it out, add 2 more triangle shapes to the sides you cut off to make the fins of the shark, and add a small triangle to the back to make the dorsal fin. Add buttercream all over and place it back in the fridge for 30 minutes. Pop it out of the fridge, and I'm using a piping bag full of buttercream, and add a final coat to the front half of the cake. Then add dark gray buttercream to the back half of the cake. Once done, pop it in the fridge for 30 minutes. Take it out, and I like to use a paper towel to smooth out all the imperfections. Add some more of that red buttercream to the mouth of the shark. Now to make the teeth, I'm using white candy melts and cutting a bunch into triangles. Once done, start adding them all over the mouth. Sharks have lots of teeth, especially derpy ones. Now make little indents into the sides of the face and add black buttercream to make the eyes. Now add some black buttercream to the sides of the shark to make the gills. And yes, I know sharks have 5 gills, but I didn't have enough room, and besides he's Derpy, he's only gonna have 3. Now for the final touches, add blue buttercream all around the cake board to make it look like he's popping out of water. Alright guys, that's it. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope you enjoyed my Derpy shortcake. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I'll see y'all guys in the next video. Bye guys.